I am Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport Bossier City area. Every month, there's a list of things you should do to keep your home in top condition. Little maintenance tips. So here are your maintenance schedule for this month.
Here are your home maintenance tasks for July. 1. Wash windows inside and out. 2. Check the attic for signs of pests, leaks, or insufficient ventilation. 3. Repair or replace damaged caulking in kitchens and bathrooms. 4. Clean and inspect your dryer vent for lint buildup. 5. Inspect and clean outdoor grills. 6. Check the foundation for cracks or signs of settlement. 7. Replace air conditioning filters to maintain efficiency. 8. Inspect fences and gates for stability and repair as needed.
And those are your maintenance tips for this month. My name is Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport Bossier City area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or find some investment property, feel free to give me a call. My number's right here. Have a great and wonderful day.